Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to take screenshot of Windows or Mac computers wirelessly using any Android or iOS smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer. So if you're using a Mac computer, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Screenshot Remote by Anti-Win. And now you'll see below here Screenshot Remote. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below and we'll see here tons of download option. So you can download it for your Android devices or for iOS or Mac computers or even for Windows. So firstly, let me download it on my respective Windows computer. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on OK, click on I agree, click on next, click on install. Now just click on finish. And now before running this software on our respective computer, let us install the same application on our respective smartphones. So yeah, I'm gonna use an Android smartphone. So if you're using a iOS smartphone like iPhone, still the tricks will remain the same. So if you're using an Android smartphone, then just open the Play Store, and if you're using an iPhone or iOS smartphone, then just open the App Store. And similarly search for the same applications, Screenshot Remote, and you can see here Screenshot Remote by Anti-Win. Just click on it. Now click on install. So finally we have installed the similar software or application on our respective computer as well as the smartphones. So now before proceeding, kindly connect both of your computer as well as your smartphone with the Wi-Fi internet connections. So right now I have been connected with the Wi-Fi internet connection both on my respective computer as well as on my smartphone. And after that, just open the similar software on your respective computer as well as on your smartphones. So right now you can see on my smartphone it has auto detected my respective computers. So you can see here on my smartphone it is automatically detected. Now what you need to do is just click on the computer name icon on your respective smartphone. Now click on the send pairing request. Now on your computer you will get one message. Just click on approve. Now both of your computer as well as your smartphone is paired successfully. So now in order to take a screenshot wirelessly using your smartphone, what you need to do is just click on this computer name on your smartphone. Just click once. So now you can see I've taken my Windows computer screenshot, as you can see here, and on the above you can see three dot icons. If you want to save it on your smartphone internal storage, just click on it and click on the save to gallery, then it will save to the gallery folder. And even you can edit the screenshot by clicking on this edit option, and you can just align it depending upon your needs, or you can just crop it by the presets here, or you can just delete it by clicking on delete, or you can share it with other applications also directly from here. And similarly you can do the same thing again if you want to take a screenshots. So by using this application named as Screenshot Remote, you can easily take screenshot of Windows or Mac computers wirelessly using any Android or iOS smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.